Hi guys, today we are going to make upma, which is a dish originating from the Indian subcontinent and is most commonly consumed as breakfast in the South Indian and the Maharashtrian regions of India. So let's get started with the recipe. Start with roasting Sooji on a medium heat for around 5 to 6 minutes, stirring it continuously. It should not burn from the bottom and be careful. After that, remove the Sooji from the pan and transfer it to another bowl. To the same pan now add 1.5 tablespoons of oil on a medium heat. Add mustard seeds and let them pop. Then add hing. If you have cashews, then cashews, ginger and saute for 1 minute until they start changing their color. I've also added green chili at this moment. Now I'll add some curry patta and start adding the veggies which I have chopped for the upmas. You can use any veggies that you like for this recipe. I have used onions, carrots and beans. Stir the veggies continuously and cook for around 3 to 4 minutes until they are totally soft. Now add a bit of sugar and salt according to your taste. And add kishmish if you have them at home. It would just enhance the taste of your upma. At this moment I also added some black peppercorns which was there at my house. You can also skip this step as it is optional as per your taste. Once the veggies are cooked properly, now add the Sooji that you had roasted and kept aside previously and keep stirring the pan. Now add more sugar and salt as per your taste. Also add a bit of red chili powder and then stir all of it for few seconds. Now add 2 cups of water and mix the Sooji in one direction with a wooden spatula. Now let the mixture come to a boil and it will start drying all by itself. Please keep the gas in a medium to low flame. Add a bit of lemon juice and then add cilantro or dhania patta for the garnish. Your upma is now ready to be served hot. Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe to my channel and keep loving.